finally got one.
It's the same old theme since 1916. Eeyore-head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. Eeyore-head, they are dying. What's
This tiny kitten tries so hard to scream at the world but realizes mid-yawn that being a fierce predator is actually just very exhausting. The five-star restaurant is finally open for business today and Mom looks quite relieved that the tiny hungry land potato was finally someone else's noisy problem. Look at this orange cloud attempting a standing ovation for a non-existent tree. Clearly, his single shared brain cell is working overtime today. Should I call an exorcist or a snack? Look at this orange ball of chaos trying to figure out if it is a fierce predator or just a very fluffy potato. 1 second it is stalking a plastic bin and the next it is staring into the void. This tiny brain is definitely running on dial-up internet speeds.
Udah jam 11 Blair, belum tidur. Ini naiknya gimana ini setinggi ini? Blair, udah malam loh. Tidur. Blair, ya ampun.
This orange car has zero personal space awareness and honestly I am not even mad about it. He is currently downloading my soul through my ankles while demanding infinite head scratches. Truly peak ginger cat behavior. This kitten has clearly mastered the art of the existential crisis while staring at a shiny toy. Is it a bird? No. These three tiny fluff clouds are clearly auditioning for a boy band. From synchronized staring to dramatic mid-meow high notes, they have the range. Watch out world, the feline vocal revolution has officially arrived.
Can you guys stop calling me cute? I'm not cute. I'm mean and scary and I'll kick your butt. So, thanks.
I started off acting cute, but then I decided to show my tiny fangs.
Terus naik, dingin, tak memberi ampun. Tubuh kecil itu hampir tenggelam, tak ada yang datang. Ia sudah lelah melawan, hampir menyerah pada arus yang kejam. Di dunia yang sibuk menyelamatkan diri, ia nyaris dilupakan. Namun di detik terakhir, datang satu makhluk yang tak pernah ia sangka. Seekor anjing, mengangkatnya dari kematian. Di tengah bencana, kebaikan masih hidup, bahkan dari yang berbeda.
Behold the tiny ginger cloud preparing for a world-class pounce. This fluffy orange potato is roughly 2% kitten and 98% pure chaotic energy. Watch out feet, your toes are now officially hunted.
That big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
This tiny golden floor fluff is currently processing a very high-stakes decision between taking another wobbly step or simply becoming a permanent decorative rug. With a face that is roughly 90% soul and 10% mystery crumbs, this creature has clearly never encountered a problem that a solid nap could not solve. Watch as this fierce predator stalks a single leaf while successfully melting every heart within a 5-mile radius.
Dunia bisa ramai, penuh suara, penuh hal yang kadang bikin kita lelah, tapi sejak ada kamu, semuanya terasa beda. Bukan karena hidup jadi mudah, tapi karena aku tidak lagi jalan sendiri. Ada kamu yang tetap di samping, tanpa banyak kata, tapi selalu ada. Dan di tengah semua yang tidak pasti, aku selalu tahu satu hal, selama ada kamu, hati ini tetap tenang.
Witness the ultimate feline transformation as this silver tabby undergoes a full spa day that would make a Victorian aristocrat blush. We begin with a high-tech claw trim featuring a glowing light designed to prevent any accidental nicks while the patient looks on with wide-eyed concern. Next comes the foam paw treatment because every indoor hunter deserves velvet soft toes for their midnight sprints across your face. The relaxation peaks during a gentle ear cleaning that has this kitty drifting into a blissful trance followed by a mechanical face massage that targets those stubborn cheek muscles. Finally, we see the results of this intense pampering session. A cat so refreshed it probably expects breakfast to be served on a silver platter.
Come here, sweet man. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, big man. Come here. Come here. Come here, gentleman. You're close, Papa.
I noticed a ginger stray minding his business, so I offered a hand of friendship and he took the entire car instead. This orange tabby went from cautious observer to professional passenger in record time. I am officially a getaway driver for a cat. If you see me driving around with a small lion, that is just my new supervisor. This tiny hunter is currently in the middle of a high-stakes tactical mission against the fuzzy blue feather of doom. Witness the sheer intensity in those wide kitten eyes as the legendary predator prepares to strike. One moment of focused calculation leads to a flurry of uncoordinated paws and a chaotic tumble that proves gravity is still the ultimate champion. It is a classic tale of feline ambition versus basic motor skills. This little fluffball might be small in stature, but the dramatic commitment to the hunt is absolutely massive. This chaotic white cloud is officially done with your feather games. 1 minute she is a graceful hunter and the next she is a blurry mass of pure feline fury.